Hi and Assalamualaikum Madam. So today we're going to present our case study. So our first members is Nur Anis binti Mahathir, and second me Nur Hidayah binti Jamaluddin, and third Nur Umairah binti Muhammad Nur. So this is our table of content. So the scenario is you are hired as a cloud architect by Cloudflex include a growing global e-commerce platform that serves customers across multiple countries. The company is migrating its infrastructure to the cloud to improve scalability, availability, performance, and security. Your role is to design a cloud-based solution in AWS that address the company's needs for enhanced performance, high availability, and scalability while ensuring secure access and resource management. So for the introduction, this report presents the design and configuration of a cloud-based solution for Cloudflex Incorporate, a global e-commerce platform migrating to AWS. It focuses on enhancing performance, ensuring high availability, and achieving scalability while maintaining secure access and resource management. The following section will cover AWS performance and availability, management, cloud computing mechanism characteristic, deployment models, virtualization types, and the specific infrastructure, and IAM user configuration for Cloudflex Incorporate. So for the first question, explain how performance and availability are managed in AWS cloud environment. So for performance management, first, elastic load balancing or ELB distribute traffic across multiple instances to prevent overload. Second, Amazon CloudFront. It caches content at edge location to reduce latency. Third, monitoring. Use AWS CloudWatch and AWS S3 to track performance and identify bottlenecks. Next, for availability management, first AWS Route 53. It provides DNS routing and failover capabilities. Second, multi-AZ deployments. It ensures high availability for database by replicating across multiple availability zones. Third, Amazon S3. It offers durable object storage with versioning for data protection.
Question number 2. Explain mechanisms to ensure availability and scalability in cloud computing. For availability mechanism, first, multi-AZ deployments. Distribute resources across multiple availability zones to prevent single points of failure. Second, load balancing. Use load balancers to distribute traffic across multiple instances. Third, health checks. Regularly check the health of instances and reroute traffic if needed. Next, for scalability mechanisms, first, vertical scaling. Increase resources of existing instances limited by capacity. Second, horizontal scaling. Add more instances to handle increases load. Third, dynamic scaling. Automatically adjust the number of instances based on demand. Question number 3. Explain cloud computing characteristics, deployment models, and types of virtualizations in AWS. For cloud computing characteristics, first, on-demand self-service. Users can provision resources automatically without human intervention. Second, rapid elasticity. Resources can be quickly scaled up or down based on demand. Next, for cloud deployment models, first, public cloud, share services over the internet. For example, AWS. Second, private cloud, dedicated infrastructure for a single organization. Third, community cloud, shared infrastructure for organizations with common needs. For hybrid cloud, combination of public and private clouds. Last one, for types of virtualization in AWS, first, storage virtualization, Amazon S3 for object storage that abstract physical storage. Second, network virtualization, Amazon VPC for creating isolated networks within AWS.
Question number 4. Design an AWS infrastructure to meet Cloudflex Inc.'s need for scalability, availability, and performance. Number 1. Amazon VPC. Create a VPC with public and private subnet across multiple availability zones for isolation and high availability. Number 2, elastic load balancer. Use an application load balancer to distribute traffic across EC2 distances. Number 3, deploy instances in auto-scaling group to automatically scale based on demand, ensuring high availability. Number 4, automate backup for RDS and EBS. Number 5, cross-region replication for critical S3 data to ensure durability. And number 6, control access securely with roles and policies. Question number 5, configure an IAM user to manage access to AWS resources. Search IAM on the search bar and then click on manage access to AWS resources. And then the first step is specify the user. Fill in the username and set a AWS management console. Next, set a password. And then step number 2, set permission. Step number 3, review and create. As the picture shows, the user details, username, require password reset, and then console password type. Step 4, retrieve password. It shows the console sign in URL, username, and console password. You can click on return to user list, and that's all. For conclusion, AWS infrastructure designed for Cloudflex-ins provides a robust and scalable solution that ensures high availability and performance for its global e-commerce platform while also offering secure access to AWS resources through well-configured IAM user. By following best practice for security and resource utilization, this design effectively positions Cloudflex-ins for future growth and adaptability in the cloud, making it a reliable and efficient solution for its business needs. Thank you.